Hello guys, I have a computer right over there that is making that hard drive clicking sound. If you do not know what the sound is, comment down below to tell me what that sound is. But before you leave any comments, please listen. You guys hear that, right? I know that. Yep. I think the hard drive was damaged or something like that. I have to check on that. You guys hear that, right? I think it might be the platter or something like that, or I think it might be the this hard disk is damaged. We have to think about that. I think it does do that. Alright, well, I did not even notice that the boot screen, stuck. See the lines to it? Give you a listen. Alright, well, tell me what you guys think, whether it's normal or not.